Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to update FL Studio 21. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the ImageLine website at imageline.com/FL Studio download. You will see two options for download, one for Windows and one for Mac. Choose the appropriate version for your system and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, locate the FL Studio setup file. I recommend clicking on Current User during the installation process. If you are the only one using FL Studio on your PC, this is the best option. You can customize the installation settings as you prefer, but make sure to keep the settings option unchecked. If you check this option, all your settings will revert back to default. Next, choose your installation destination. I have mine set in a specific folder, but you can select any location that works for you. Let the installation complete and the update will be installed. So that's basically how you can update FL Studio 21. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.